Have you ever found yourself staring at a bank transfer form, hands hovering over the keyboard, a knot forming in your stomach as you consider sending money across borders? Wondering about hidden fees, exchange rates, and whether your hard-earned money will actually arrive safely and on time? If so, you're not alone. Cross-border transfers can feel like navigating a complex maze, fraught with uncertainty and often unexpected costs. In today's interconnected world, sending money internationally is no longer a niche requirement, it's a fundamental necessity for millions. Whether you're supporting family abroad, paying for international services, investing in global markets, or managing a business with international clients, the need for efficient, transparent, and secure cross-border transfer solutions is paramount. Traditional banking systems, while reliable, have often been criticized for their high fees, unfavorable exchange rates, and slow processing times when it comes to international transactions. This is where modern financial institutions, like Roger Bank, step in, aiming to simplify and optimize the experience. Roger Bank, while primarily known for its credit card offerings in Canada, particularly those with strong cashback rewards, also plays a role in facilitating cross-border financial activities, albeit indirectly through its card services and by allowing international usage of its cards. It's important to clarify from the outset that Roger Bank, as an entity primarily focused on credit cards, doesn't operate as a dedicated international money transfer service in the same vein as a Wise or WorldRemit. Instead, its cross-border transfer support largely revolves around the capabilities of its MasterCard credit cards for international transactions and how those transactions are handled. Let's break down what Roger Bank cross-border transfer support truly entails, moving beyond the direct money transfer services that typically come to mind. We'll delve into the nuances of using Roger Bank's credit cards internationally, the associated costs, the benefits for certain types of cross-border activity, and how it fits into the broader landscape of international payments. Understanding these aspects will help you determine if Roger Bank's offerings align with your international financial needs. First and foremost, it's crucial to distinguish between sending money directly from one bank account to another internationally and making purchases in a foreign currency using a credit card. When most people think of cross-border transfer support, they're envisioning the former, wiring funds, using services like SWIFT, or leveraging fintech platforms. Roger Bank, as a credit card issuer, primarily facilitates the latter, international spending. So, how does Roger Bank's MasterCard credit card provide cross-border transfer support in practice? It's all about enabling transactions in foreign currencies. When you use your Roger Bank MasterCard abroad, or for online purchases from international merchants, the bank processes these transactions. The key features and considerations here include 1. Foreign transaction fees. This is arguably the most significant factor when discussing cross-border support with credit cards. Roger Bank's MasterCard credit cards typically come with a foreign transaction fee. This fee is usually a percentage of the transaction amount added on top of the converted currency. For Roger Bank's credit cards, this fee is generally around 2.5% of the transaction amount after it has been converted to Canadian dollars. While some credit cards in the market offer no foreign transaction fees, a 2.5% fee is fairly standard for many Canadian credit cards. This means that for every $100 you spend in a foreign currency, you'll effectively be paying an extra $2.50 in fees. This might not seem like much for a single small purchase, but it can quickly add up for frequent travelers or those making large international online purchases. 2. Exchange rates. When you make a foreign currency transaction with your Roger Bank MasterCard, the transaction amount is converted to Canadian dollars at the MasterCard international rate in effect on or after the date of the transaction and no later than the date the transaction is posted to your account. It's important to note that the rate applied to debits, like purchases, will be different than the rate applied to credits, like returns. MasterCard's exchange rates are generally considered competitive and close to the interbank rate, but they are not the absolute market rate. Combined with the foreign transaction fee, this effectively means you're paying a slight premium for the convenience of using your card abroad. 3. Cashback rewards on foreign currency purchases. This is where Roger Bank's offerings can become particularly interesting for cross-border activities. Some of Roger Banks' credit cards, notably the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard, offer enhanced cash back rewards on eligible US dollar purchases. For example, the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard offers 3% in unlimited cash back rewards on all eligible purchases made in US dollars. This feature is a direct benefit for frequent cross-border shoppers or those who regularly deal in USD. While there's still the 2.5% foreign transaction fee, the 3% cash back on USD purchases effectively nets you a 0.5% gain, making it a competitive option for US dollar spending. For other foreign currencies, the standard cashback rate, e.g., 1% or 1.5%, would apply, meaning the foreign transaction fee would still result in a net cost. 4. MasterCard Network Benefits. As Roger Banks cards are MasterCards, they benefit from MasterCard's global acceptance. You can use your Roger Bank debit or credit card worldwide, wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted. This broad acceptance is a significant aspect of cross-border support, as it ensures your card is functional in most international locations. Additionally, MasterCard offers various security features like MasterCard Identity Check and Zero Liability, which provide protection against unauthorized transactions, adding a layer of security to your international spending. 5. Travel-related benefits. Beyond direct transaction processing, some Roger Bank credit cards offer travel-related perks that indirectly support cross-border activities. For instance, the Rogers Red World Elite MasterCard provides access to over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide through the complimentary MasterCard Travel Pass by Dragon Pass. While lounge access typically incurs a fee per visit, e.g., $32 per person, it can enhance the travel experience for those undertaking international journeys. It's worth noting that these cards may not offer other premium travel benefits like priority boarding or free checked bags that some competing travel-focused cards provide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.